Let the numbers. Then A may be called A is equal to first number, second number, third number. A and C may be called end numbers, middle number. A and called end number. Middle number. See, if A, B are in AP, if A are in AP means addition, then called addition A and C. In this case, we have called second number or middle number. So then called arithmetic means simply M A meaning of A M arithmetic mean. Now two numbers given. Here in this case three numbers were given. We have defined arithmetic mean. Two numbers given, then how to find arithmetic? Our question is like this: insert one arithmetic mean between A and B. So the question arises: insert one arithmetic mean of M in A and one arithmetic mean. So in that AP there are three terms: that A M M called arithmetic mean, B R in AP. Here A and B two numbers. We have to find out arithmetic mean, one arithmetic mean. Let that one arithmetic mean M. So A M and must be R in AP. Therefore, as per the property of AP, what we can write? So property of AP write M minus A minus M. How it is written? See, term minus preceding term is common difference. Here second term minus first term, and this is third term minus second term or term minus first term, common difference, and all common differences are equal. Therefore, obviously solve is for m, transpose this m to the left, m plus change the sign m, and this is transposed to the right plus m a plus b by 2. Therefore, the arithmetic mean or m of a p is a plus b by 2. Now if we consider many numbers, in first case we have considered 3 numbers, and then we have considered 3 numbers which are in AP. Now consider the numbers A1, A2, now first writing let A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN are in numbers. Then except A1 and N, that means first term and last term, or first term or last number, all numbers are called middle term, and if they are in AP, all numbers are arithmetic means. So again we write if A1, A2, N are AP means arithmetic mean, then A2, A3 and so on, AN minus 1, that means n minus 1th term or n minus 1th number are called arithmetic means or AMS. Now we have defined arithmetic means between a set of numbers. Now we will find, or as done before, there are insert one arithmetic mean between A and B, but in this case insert n arithmetic means between A and B. Therefore the questions like that or theory may be called insert. Now writing this is 2 and part 1 question 1. Insert n arithmetic means or AMs between A and B. See how to find out n arithmetic means between A and B. First assume there are n arithmetic means and A and B are in AP. So we must write or may write A first arithmetic mean denoted by M1, second arithmetic denoted by M2, third arithmetic mean denoted by M3 and so on. Mn means n arithmetic mean and B are in AP. Therefore, there are n plus 2 numbers because n arithmetic means first number and last number. So these are an AP and containing n plus 2 terms. Once we have derived a formula, what is that formula? Nth term. This is a formula writing. Nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into B. See, as these are in AP, B last term can be expressed in terms of first term plus number of terms here is n plus 2 terms. Compare this side, here nth term, that's why it was n, here n plus 2 term, that's why n plus 2 minus this one. Compare this 1 into B. Now showing here as a graph, m1 is equal to A plus D, m2 is equal to A plus D. So we must find D is equal to from this equation, because we need D get m1, m2, m3 and so on. So solving this, transpose A to the left, B minus A, simplify this, n plus 2 minus 1, that is equal to plus 1 B. Now solving this for D, that is equal to minus A by n plus 1. So obviously we write m1, that means first arithmetic mean A plus D, that is equal to A plus E minus A by n plus 1. Similarly, m2 is equal to A plus B, that is equal to A plus B minus A by n plus 1. Here are 2 and so on. If we write MR, any arithmetic mean, MR means arithmetic mean. So simply here second arithmetic mean 2D, first D, here will be RD, A plus RD, that is equal to A plus R B minus A by n plus 1. So if there are two numbers given and asked to find out any number of arithmetic means, then we can find using by this method or using by this formula. So if two numbers are given, then any arithmetic mean expressed MR is equal to, now writing general formula as a general formula for Rth mean is equal to A plus R E minus A by n plus 1. Therefore, finally we may write A plus B minus A by n plus 1, A plus 2B minus A by plus 1, and so on. last part 1, that means last arithmetic mean a plus n b minus a by n plus 1 last term b are in AP, that is arithmetic progression. So here first term, first arithmetic mean, second arithmetic mean, nth arithmetic mean, and last term. So nth arithmetic mean found. Now if you not subscribe this channel for getting the notification of uploaded videos. Thank you.